So you've talked about some strategies like estate freezes and life insurance. Do you want to chat about multiple wills?
Yeah, of course. So multiple wills are also referred to as corporate wills or restricted wills. For some reason, there are many different terms to refer to this strategy, but it's an idea that came out of Ontario and got adopted into British Columbia. And the concept is that you have your primary will, and then you have a secondary or a corporate will. So this is to avoid probate tax on the assets that can be conveyed through the secondary will. So if you have a secondary will, that will allow you to avoid the 1.4% probate fee or probate tax, which is really advantageous when the value of those shares starts to really get up there. If they're worth $10 million, and that's a savings of $140,000. And the nice thing about corporate wills is that it's much more administratively straightforward to put that in place. The work with your legal professional, with your lawyer, and with your accountant is not that complex to make it work. There are a couple of nuances. You need to have different executors for your primary will and your restricted or your corporate will. Beyond that, it's fairly straightforward, and you don't have to do any sort of annual filings to maintain the registrations. The other benefit of that is continuity. So when you have a corporate will in place, then the private company shares are going to be transferred to the next generation immediately. So there's no need to obtain probate. It can be a much more streamlined process.